So here we have the Ford Fiesta Z-Tech on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we've got a 60/40 split folding rear seat, as well as plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, I'm going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side the speedometer. The fuel gauge appears in the middle at the bottom, and then above that we have a trip computer, the information of which can be changed by pushing a button on the end of the steering wheel for various different bits of fuel economy information. On the steering wheel itself, we have stereo controls, as well as that button in the middle, which is voice activation for the phone. So hit that button, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, and it will do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is, of course, once you pair the phone, and that is done over on the central screen and stereo area just here. So before we come back to the phone, you can see this car's got FM radio. Every push of the radio button will give us a different frequency. So there's a couple of FM ones, DAB digital radio, as you can see, and a second one of those, and then all the way around to AM. In terms of other ways of listening to music, we have a USB connection, a CD player, which you can see at the top of this unit just there, and once you connect up your phone, you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio, which you can see on the screen just there. So plenty of ways to listen to your music. All the buttons I was using just a moment ago are on the left down here, and that is where you will pair your phone. Below that, we've got the air conditioning, so you can set the temperature over here, fan speed on that dial, direction of the air, and then hit that button to turn the air conditioning on. And it's as easy as that. This car also has heated rear and heated front screens as well. And just here is where you can turn off the stop and start. So this car is designed to cut out in traffic when you're stationary, which is to save you fuel. If you'd rather not use that system, press that button like I've just done and it will turn the system off. We then have a 5-speed manual gearbox, a 12-volt charging socket, and the USB input that I mentioned previously. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.